Namaskar and welcome to E-News of IPR Department. News Bulletin, I am Manisha Nepal and these are the headlines. Summary of COVID-19 Health Bulletin as on 14th August 2020. Information by Home Department regarding Independence Day celebration. First joint meeting of Governing Council and Executive Committee of Samagra Shiksha at Chintan Bhavan. Press release from Raj Bhavan regarding the cancellation of an annual event of at-home function. International Organ Donation Day was observed at Raj Bhavan. Minister cum area MLA Sri Loknath Sarma visited the landslide-prone area of Sagbari, West Sikkim. Now in details. As per the latest update from DG cum Secretary Health Department, Dr. Pempati Bhutia, 145 new COVID cases have been reported in this state. With this, the total active cases in the state now stands at 494. All the cases are from pharma companies, 142 from Elkem Pharmaceutical, 2 from Swiss Garnier and 1 from Juventus. Press release issued by Home Department, it is informed that in view of the COVID-19 restrictions, technology is being utilized in the best possible way for virtual participation of general public, local gentry and citizens in Independence Day 2020 celebration. Invitees in receipt of e-invitation only are requested to attend the scheduled program in person at Manan Bhavan tomorrow. All other dignitaries and the general public is further requested to virtually participate by witnessing the event through digital medium and social media platforms. The IPR department and IT department will telecast the program live on the Facebook page and the website of Government of Sikkim, addition to providing live feed to various media channels. The first joint meeting of Governing Council and Executive Committee of Samagra Shiksha Sikkim was organized by the State Project Office Samagra Shiksha Education Department at Chintan Bhavan yesterday. The meeting was chaired by Honorable Chief Minister Sri Prem Singh Tamang, who is also the President of Governing Council of Samagra Shiksha. Chief Minister in his address, while congratulating the department on the work done, emphasized on the importance of delivery of education that also encompasses improvement in character, peace of mind, happiness and satisfaction. Chief Minister highlighted on various quarters like need for research on dwindling enrollment, creating awareness on mental health, and yoga amongst various other key features in the context of the new education policy. Sri Manish Garg, Joint Director, Ministry of HRD Government of India, also participated in the meeting through video conference from New Delhi. Additional Chief Secretary Sri G.P. Upadhyaya participated in the meeting through video conferencing and delivered the presentation detailing the process report of Samagra Shiksha in Sikkim. State Project Director Sri Bhim Tatal placed the resolution before the Governing Council, which were passed and approved by the Governing Council after deliberations, which was followed by the address of the Minister Sri K.N. Lepcha, who outlined the importance about the initiative and commitment of the state government to work towards development of education in Sikkim. The meeting also saw the presence of Advisor to Education Department, Jilla Adakshas of West, South and North District, Chief Secretary, who is also the Vice President of Governing Council and Chairman of Executive Committee, and other members of the Governing Council. The annual event of at-home function, which took place at Raj Bhavan, stands cancelled this year due to surge in COVID-19 cases in the state. The Honorable Governor has also appealed to the people of Sikkim to celebrate this festival of Independence Day as per guidelines of central and state government at each level. The Governor has also dedicated this Independence Day for frontline COVID-19 warriors and extended his gratitude for their selfless services. Governor has also extended his best wishes of Independence Day to the people of Sikkim and has appealed to follow Guru Mantra of using a mask, maintaining social distance, and to keep personal hygiene to win the battle against COVID-19. International Organ Donation Day was observed at Raj Bhavan yesterday. Honorable Governor Sri Ganga Prasad led the celebration and he was accompanied by Additional Chief Secretary Sri S.T. Negi, Additional Secretary of Raj Bhavan Sri B.K. Lama and other officials and staff of Raj Bhavan. In his brief address, the Honorable Governor stressed on nationwide movement on organ donation. He urged people to come forward to generate awareness for this noble cause and even during their moment of grief as a gesture of humanity. He also talked about the importance of organ donation and how it can save lives of others. On the occasion, Governor also attended video conference with executive members of Dadiji Dedan Samiti Bihar, which was joined by Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar Sri Sushil Kumar Modi. Through video conference, the governor expressed his gratitude and thanked organ donors who voluntarily donate their organs to save the lives of others. On 13th of August, Minister cum Area MLA of Gelsing Barmek constituency Sri Loknath Sarma carried out field inspection at landslide prone area of Sagbari Basti. The local public has reported that a number of 17 dwelling houses are under the threat of landslide after the incident of flooded Rangit River triggered on 5th August 2020. Minister Sarma directed the concerned STM to submit detailed assessment report to the concerned authority. Minister Sarma directed the concerned STM to submit detailed assessment report to the concerned authority immediately for further course of action. Minister assured that the government will take necessary action for resettlement of the colony if found inexorable to prevent landslide, depending upon the awaited report of Mines and Geology Department, Government of Sikkim. During his visit, the minister was also accompanied by the Sub-Divisional Magistrate Soaring Sri Himmat Rai. This much for today. We'll be back with the more updates. Keep watching E-News of IPR Department. Thank you.